Welcome to ItRightNet. Today, we're replacing the drive chain on this Triumph T100. Two clear signs it's time. First, the adjusters are maxed out. The chain is stretched past the service limit and can't be tightened to spec. Second, check for binding links. These stiff spots cause a jerky, snatchy ride. If your chain looks like this, it's time for a fresh kit. Let's get to it. When replacing a drive chain, it's best practice to replace both sprockets at the same time. As you can see, the teeth on both sprockets are visibly worn down. This causes inefficient power delivery and creates unnecessary noise. A full kit is the only way to get that smooth factory feel back. Now, here is a step-by-step guide on how to replace the chain. Let's dive into the details. Always use a torque wrench to tighten all bolts to factory specs. As you can see, the old chain has stretched by about one full length compared to the new one.
Okay.
Keep the graduation marks perfectly even on both sides of the swingarm. With a new chain, align the adjusters to the second mark. Install the master link and don't forget the new O-rings. This detail is crucial for smooth operation and long chain life. You must use a specialized chain tool to properly press and rivet the new master link.
Son.
After pressing the master link plate, it's time to rivet the pins for a secure, permanent fit. Measure the rivet flare and compare it to the factory pins. This ensures a secure and successful rivet job.
Đó.
As you can see, the flare width is spot on. Now, let's wrap up the remaining steps.
Chưa?
We're building this channel to share knowledge with everyone. I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe and share this video. Your support gives me the motivation to keep creating. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.